how to set slow motion video setting in Honor phone. Hello friends, welcome back to How to Fix It YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'll tell you that how you can set slow motion video setting in your Honor phone. Okay, so guys, if you are using Honor device and if you don't know from where you can use the slow motion feature, then guys, just watch this video. Okay, you have to watch this video till the end, and after watching this video you can easily set this setting. You can shoot slow motion videos from your device as well. Okay, you don't need any kind of third-party application. You have that setting in your phone. And guys, if you are good at shooting videos, okay, and if you want to shoot video at slow motion, then guys, you can do that also from this Honor device. Okay, so now let's start the video and let's check it out the setting. So at the first step guys, you have to go to camera. Okay, but guys, before proceeding further, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel as well. Okay, so let's open up the camera and then guys, let's go to setting. Okay, so guys, in setting you will not get this option. Okay, sorry for that. So you have to click on the video. Okay, click on the video and click on the more option. So now you have to click on the slow mo option. Okay, as you can see here, I'll show you once again. Click on the more option, and guys, this is the option slow mo. Okay, you have to click here slow motion, and then guys, this will apply to your camera. And guys, as you can see, my camera is dark, okay, because I'm using the back cover, so that's why my camera is not visible. So if you want to record a video in slow motion, then guys, you can use this shutter button. Okay, you can use this shutter button. A recording app is already running in the background. So guys, as you can see, okay, I'm facing the problem as well because my recording is going on. Okay, my recording is going on, that's why I cannot record the video now. So guys, if you want to record a video in slow motion, then guys, you can go for it. You can go for this setting and you can shoot video in slow motion as well. Okay, so guys, I was about to show you the slow motion, okay, how you can record it, but guys, just because of the recording I cannot play it. Okay, so if you can do it yourself. I hope this video will be definitely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.